Let's talk about GOOTRADES 2 pieces creative wooden spoon serving Pierce spoon hot pot ramen slotted scoop utensils 21.5 cm 7.5 cm spoon cooking stirring practical special spoons strainer tool filter soup long handle housewife household skim. Material: wood. Size: 21.5 cm 7.5 cm 8.46 2.95. 2 patterns to choose from: spoon colander. Corrosion resistant, high temperature resistance, easy to clean. It could also be used to oil strain relief for reuse or the sort the spice of cider. Ideal for removing food from a deep fryer or other hot liquid. Suitable for hot pot and ramen. Long wooden handle, safer and more comfortable to use, especially in hot soup or water. Great gift: it will be a pretty and nice gift for your lover, friends. Arrived sooner than expected. Good quality and good price.